Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XVG coin. After the recent rally, the price line of XVG is dropped and it has also broken down a very significant support of the symmetrical triangle. And let me just show you this symmetrical triangle that I shared on 9th of November for my members at the Patreon when the price line just broke out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle, and I told them that from here we can expect a very big pump. Our first target as per this symmetrical triangle was 3.2 cents, and second target was 3.5, and the third and last target was 4.4 cents. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here for my members at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Now, here I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line rallied very well. Even it was rallied up to 3.739 cents and dropped down after testing the previous resistance of this triangle as a support. We had some accumulation of the candlesticks, but the price line dropped down, and finally we have broken down this support of the triangle, and we are moving below this support. Now here we also have a very big spike on this weekly time frame. Let me to change it to the daily time frame to show you more clear. Here we have this spike, and if I place this trend line here at this spike, then we can see that we have a very nice support here, because after the previous drop here in the month of July, the price line tested this support here and entered the triangle, formed this symmetrical triangle, and broke it out. And after this rally, the price line has again tested the same support. Now, on this daily time frame, we can also observe that the price line is moving down in a shape of a down channel. And let me show you this formation of the down channel. This is the resistance of the down channel we have here, and you can see that we have several rejections, and this is the support of this down channel. Even though we had a very long spike, but the price line reversed back by this support. And by the way, we have this support at 1.55 cents. And after testing this support, the price line reversed back and also did not break down the support of this down channel as well. Now, for example, because we are now again very close to this support, and you can see that here we also have the formation of a bearish pennant as well, because the movement is getting more and more squeezed. And after this test, the price line did not test this support of the channel, and it is moving here sideways, and the movement is getting more and more squeezed. So this is also a bearish pennant form here. And once the price line will be able to break it out, then we can expect a powerful reversal that can lead the price line back here approximately at 3.2 cents. And at this area, we have big resistance on. Let me just show you this resistance. You can see that we have the final resistance here approximately at 3.78 cents. And before that, we will have a very powerful resistance. You can see that the price line has so many touch points here. We have touch point here, here, 3 touch points here, and also this one as well. So the price line first needs to break out 3.2 cents, and then the next resistance will be here at 3.78 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.